Former Senator Bongbong Marcos files a motion to set his election protest for preliminary conference. Roderick Mendoza will tell us why.
Former Senator Bongbong Marcos is asking the Supreme Court to set the preliminary conference on his election protest against Vice President Leni Robredo. The SC Anbanc sits as the Presidential Electoral Tribunal tasked to resolve Marcos's petition. Robredo won last year's vice presidential race, leading Marcos by a slim margin of 200,000 votes. A lawyer for Marcos says they want the tribunal to already hear the election protest since the last pleading joining the issues in the case was already submitted last September.
Para magtuloy-tuloy na yung pagdinig ng election protest at inaasahan po natin na maglalabas na rin po sila ng kautusan upang magbigay ng takdang araw at panahon para gawin po ang preliminary conference.
The lawyer explains the conduct of preliminary conference is necessary before the tribunal can finally order the recount of votes.
Pagka ito'y naganap na, hindi na po maaaring pigiling artificially ang takbo ng election protest. Magkakaroon po ng sariling buhay ang election protest. Magtatakda po ng tamang panahon ang tribunal para isagawa ang judicial revision.
Marcos questions Robredo's victory due to alleged fraud and anomalies committed during the elections. He wants the tribunal to annul Robredo's proclamation and declare him the duly elected vice president of the country. Roderick Mendoza, UNTV News and Rescue, Manila.